Enhancing performance and prolonging lifespan. Solid-state drives, SSDs, have revolutionized storage technology, offering blazing fast speeds and reliability compared to traditional hard disk drives, HDDs. Understanding how SSDs work and optimizing their write performance is crucial for maximizing their efficiency and lifespan. 1. Understanding SSDs. What are SSDs? SSDs are storage devices that use integrated circuit assemblies to store data persistently. Unlike HDDs, which rely on spinning disks and magnetic heads, SSDs utilize NAND flash memory, enhancing speed and durability. How do SSDs work? SSDs operate through a process of writing and erasing data electronically. This process eliminates the mechanical movements found in HDDs, resulting in quicker access times and enhanced reliability. Benefits of SSDs over HDDs. SSDs offer numerous advantages, including faster boot times, reduced latency, improved read-write speeds, and greater shock resistance compared to HDDs. 2. Writing on SSDs. Introduction to writing on SSDs. Writing data on SSDs involves storing information on memory cells. However, continuous writing can impact performance and longevity due to write amplification and wear leveling. Factors affecting SSD write speed. Several factors influence SSD write speed, such as the controller, NAND type, file system, and usage patterns. Understanding these aspects helps in optimizing write performance. Techniques to optimize SSD. Write performance trimming, over-provisioning, and firmware updates are effective techniques to enhance SSD write performance. These methods manage data more efficiently, reducing write amplification. 3. Impact of continuous writing. Addressing concerns about continuous writing on SSDs. Continuous writing can lead to a phenomenon known as wear. However, modern SSDs boast significant endurance levels, making wear less of a concern for average users. Mitigating strategies for prolonging SSD lifespan. Implementing wear leveling algorithms and reducing unnecessary writes through proper system configurations can significantly extend an SSD's lifespan. 4. SSD write endurance. Defining SSD write endurance. Write endurance refers to the total amount of data that an SSD can write before its performance begins to degrade. Factors like NAND type and manufacturing quality affect endurance. Factors affecting SSD write endurance, workloads, temperature, and over-provisioning influence SSD write endurance. Monitoring these factors helps manage SSD health and prevent premature failures. Ways to monitor and manage SSD write endurance. Monitoring software and SSD health tools provide insights into write endurance. Proactive measures like monitoring temperature and workload distribution aid in managing endurance effectively. 5. Future developments in SSD technology. Emerging trends in SSD technology. Advancements like QLC and PLC NAND, PCIe Gen 5, and computational storage are shaping the future of SSDs, promising even faster speeds and higher capacities. Predictions for the future of SSD write capabilities. The future holds the potential for increased write endurance, enhanced performance, and lowered costs, making SSDs even more ubiquitous across various applications. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding how SSDs operate and optimizing their write performance are essential for users to harness their full potential. With continuous advancements in technology, SSDs are poised to become faster, more durable, and more cost-effective in the coming years. FAQs. How do SSDs differ from HDDs in terms of write speed? SSDs offer significantly faster write speeds due to their lack of mechanical parts. Does continuous writing significantly reduce an SSD's lifespan? While continuous writing can impact lifespan, modern SSDs are designed to handle substantial write loads before performance degradation. Can firmware updates improve SSD write performance? Yes, firmware updates often include optimizations that can enhance SSD write performance. What factors should I consider to optimize SSD write performance? Factors like over-provisioning, trimming, and choosing the right file system play crucial roles in optimizing SSD write performance. Are there any emerging technologies that might impact SSD write capabilities? Technologies like QLC and PLC NAND and PCIe Gen 5 are anticipated to further improve SSD write capabilities in the future. HDD, the backbone of digital storage introduction. Understanding the importance of HDDs in digital storage. Understanding HDDs, explaining the basic concept and function of hard disk drives. Evolution of HDD technology, tracing the historical advancements in HDD technology. Anatomy of an HDD, detailed breakdown of the internal components of a hard disk drive. HDD capacity and speed, exploring the relationship between storage capacity and operational speed. HDD performance factors. Factors affecting the performance of HDDs. Benefits of HDDs, highlighting the advantages of using HDDs in storage solutions. Limitations of HDDs, addressing the drawbacks and limitations associated with HDDs. HDD maintenance and care tips and guidelines for maintaining and prolonging HDD lifespan. HDD versus SSD comparative analysis between hard disk drives and solid-state drives. Choosing the right HDD factors to consider when selecting an HDD for specific needs. Future of HDD technology. Predictions and advancements expected in the field of HDD technology. Conclusion. Summarizing the significance and relevance of HDDs in the digital era. Thank you for watching his video. Subscribe.